Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the March subscription box from Cloth and Paper that I will be going through with you today. So I have it all out here. I've opened up a couple of the items, but I haven't really examined them or, gone through them in detail, but because I wanted to do that with you today. So first, it comes in this thick vellum bag, and as you can see, the items for each box are on the sticker here. So we get 13 items this month. And the first item I'm going to open up is a postage stamp photo slide, which is this thing here. So I did open this because I didn't want to waste your time opening it up. So here it is. I'm going to remove it. And what Cloth and Paper is doing this year, is every month in your subscription box, you get one of these. And this says what connects. So you get one of these that you can add to this notebook cover and the notebook, which came in our January subscription box. So as you can see, I did receive the What Stays and What Replays one for January and February, and What Connects is March. So there you go. I'm going to add it here to my notebook. And look how cute that is. I can't wait to collect all 12 so we can fill this cover up with all the cards, or the photo slides as what Cloth and Paper is calling them. So put that over here. The next thing I want to open is the message pad. Trying to open it without. There we go. This is so pretty. And as you can see, you see this detail here. This is a ribbon that that's going through these holes. The back is a thick cardboard, very thick. It's like a book, a hardcover book, but it's on the back of this message pad. And I'm not sure how many sheets are in this, but there are a lot of sheets. And look at the detail around the edges where it's black. So the contrast is pretty amazing between the pages and the edges. And as you can see, it has two here, from here, the date, subject, and you have an area to write whatever it is you want to write here. So again, it's a pretty thick pad, as you can see. The page color is a creamish color, and I love the feel of the paper. The quality is amazing. Love this. Okay, let me put these aside. The next thing I want to open is the mini magnetic bookmarks. So as you can see, there are two triangular shaped bookmarks here. Like, we've received these before, but in like a half moon or circular shape. But this is, I think, the color ash, which is a grayish color. And this is a brownish color, as you can see here. On the back, it just tells you how you can use them, as you can see here. The next thing I want to share with you is a clear calendar card for May. And we receive one of these every month, guys, and we're usually a couple of months ahead. But as you can see, it says May, has the calendar on the right, and it's a clear card and can easily slide into your planner. The next item is the letter to self journaling card, and it's a really thick, the quality is good, really thick cardboard, and it says from me to me, and it says, here's what you know, your words on paper are proof that you're growing even when it doesn't feel like it. And at the bottom it says spring, summer, and fall, winter, 365, and it has some coordinates up here as well. So there you go, very nice. The next item is the square sticker halftone transparent sticker set. So again, it's the square sticker set, which is halftone, and they're transparent. It looks like an eye, guys. Do you see that? But let's see what it looks like on paper actually. Hold on. Look how cool that is. Now you can use this as decoration on your calendar, on your spread, anywhere you want to, but that's really cool. The next item is the wax seal stickers. So these are kind of cool. Look at the color. Look, it looks like wax. I'm wondering if it is wax. And it's really sticky. And it says, they say priority, archive, to plan, scheduled, reminder, and reflect. And you can use these, you can add these to your planner. You can use them to seal a letter. You can use them for anything, but look how cool they are. The next item is the, what do you call this? Let's do this one. This is the Circle Page Flag Trio. And it looks like the colors, there are 50 on each. The color is, I believe, walnut, desert tortoise, and Ibiza. So here you go. Very pretty. And let me show you what it looks like on paper. There you have it. Very nice. I love them. Look at this, it's so pretty. The next item I'm going to open is the ephemera dashboard. And as you can see, guys, I get this in a personal wide size. I'm trying to build up my personal wide collection because I think I might want to use personal wide next year. So I changed the size on my subscription box to personal wide. And look at this. It's like a plain, very thick cardstock. It has a pocket here. And inside there's a little card. Let me see if I can get this out to show you guys. And at the top of the clear section, it does say, dear self, write something you mean. Some that you can put anything in here, and it's beautiful. And here is some writing here. I won't read all of that, but I'm not even sure if you can see it, but there you have it. Very pretty. The next item is a stamp sheet dashboard. How cool is that? This is so cool. Guys, look, I love the little red and the red detail here. And look, it looks like you can actually tear them off, but you can't. But it is very cool. And the color is like a very, very, very light yellow. Or maybe a beige maybe. But here you go. The next item is the inbox sorting sheets. And as you can see, you get 32 pages, which is, I'm thinking it's 16, or is it actually 32? So I think it's 16 front and back, but these are the inbox sorting pages. Let me see. And here's a example of how you can use them. So at the top, you have inbox here, and then you can have do now, do later, to schedule, wait in, idea, and bookmark and goal. And you have your list, and you can categorize them the way you want to categorize them. See that? And again, here's what it looks like blank. Here is the example. And guys, you can use this for anything. It's a pretty flexible insert, and you can definitely use this for anything. So many use cases. The next item is the envelope storage holder set. So let me open this up. Look at how pretty this is. Like, the quality, guys, on these items are amazing. So you have one in a cardstock, and that's like a, not sure what you would call that color, but it's like a real deep, like an army green type, sort of, but a little lighter, I would say, maybe. And you have this vellum one, and look, you can add them to your planner. It would be nice to like put one of those wax seal stickers on here and add it to your planner, and you can open and close it with the sticker. Let's try that actually. Let's see what that would be like. So let's put reminder on here. Ooh, it's really sticky. So let's do that. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, it's so pretty. And then you would open it maybe. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. But we're learning together. I'm glad I didn't put it on the paper because these are really sticky. So, okay. So although, oop, I just messed it up. Okay. So although, please make sure that whenever you're putting this on, you want to keep it there. You can't remove it around, okay? So I just messed this up, but I'm going to use it anyway. I'll find a use case for it. But just remember that you can't really stick and remove it. So, you know, we tried it together. It didn't work, but it's okay. I'm glad I didn't put it on the paper one because I would have messed it up for sure. And the last items are the pen set. So let's see what kind of pens we get this month, and we can try them together. So looks like this is, let me see, the Zebra 3.30 gel, and it's a 0.5 tip. Ooh. This is what it looks like. It's a really soft burgundy. So very nice. And I like the way it writes, it's very smooth. The next one looks like is, not sure the name. It's a Uni for sure. Okay, so Uni Jetstream, and it's a 0.7 tip. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I really like this. Oh, I like this very much. Feels nice in your hand, and it's very, very smooth. It's even smoother than the Zebra. So like that. So guys, that is all for today's cloth and paper subscription box. As you can see, all the items are useful, functional, I think, and also decorative. So the boxes are always a pleasure to receive because the items are usually unique, always functional, and they just give you something to look forward to each month. I believe, unfortunately, this box is already sold out. So, I'm not sure. You just have to get on their waiting list and see what happens. But, guys, you will never. The box is. You can get it for as low as $45. The highest you can get it for is $50. And look at all of what you receive. Right? So totally worth it, I think. And again, this also came in the box, the What Connects. Again, thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure sharing this with you. Like I said, I will be sharing my monthly subscription boxes with you, and this would be the one from Cloth and Paper, which is one of my favorite places to shop for planner supplies and stationery. So have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.